Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing Edge and saving any open tabs. This prevents data loss. Once done, export favorites to an HTML file so you can restore them. Now open Task Manager and end any lingering Edge processes. This clears locked files. Next, make sure Windows is up to date. Updates often fix stability problems. Finally, note which extensions you use so you can reinstall only needed ones. These steps remove common blockers before the repair actions that follow. You should now run the built-in repair first. Go to Settings Apps, locate Microsoft Edge, and choose Repair. This restores core files without losing data. If crashes persist, perform Reset to return settings to default. Once reset, create a new user profile and start Edge without extensions to isolate the fault. Clear the cache and cookies to remove corrupted files that often trigger crashes. If the new profile works, migrate bookmarks and settings selectively to avoid reintroducing the bad item. If the problem remains, uninstall Edge completely and reinstall from the Microsoft Store to ensure a clean install. This replaces damaged binaries. You should also run system checks. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism commands to repair Windows components. Once done, test Edge in safe mode or under a different Windows account to determine whether the issue is system-wide or profile-specific. If crashes continue, note error messages and consider creating a fresh Windows user for normal browsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.